beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is what is happening with your person. What are they feeling? What's going to happen next in your relationship for Earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? Yes, friends, this reading is for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or if you know a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, subscribe our channel because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random person will be selected for a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share, friends, and let's begin. Let's not waste any more time. Basically, so if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you can check this out. Let us see how your person is feeling. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth signs, how their person is feeling currently. The theme of the person, what's their feeling, current energy. Oh, wow, Fool and the King of Swords. Wow, Earth signs. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with someone who is quite intelligent, quite intellectual, quite smart, and also a bit strong-willed. So yeah, so the main energy of your person, Earth signs, is that your person is, they are looking for a new start. Whether it is with you or in their life, they want a new start, that's for sure. And if you are wondering what's going on with your person, the main thing that's going on with them is that they want a new start within this connection. They are focusing on that. They want to improve things with you, and communications, I feel, are not I feel like some sort of a cold war is going on between you and your person, Earth sign. So something is going on. It's like communications are not going well, or you are in no contact, absolutely no contact, but they are looking for a new start. Let's see how this person is feeling, Earth signs person is feeling. The Ten of Cups, yeah, they want a family with you. Let me just pull more cards so we can look. They want a family for sure. They want marriage. This person wants commitment, and look at that, the Hierophant. Yeah, they want to do justice in this connection. The Four, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, this person. Okay, let's see. So they want a family with you, friends, that's for sure. This person is getting ready for commitment, or commitment is an issue with this person. And in this connection, like, you want marriage, they want marriage, or maybe the family has become a problem in this connection. I see your person wanting a new start with you, a new committed start with you. And Ten of Cups is like being ultimate. You are their ultimate source of happiness. Earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, this person really likes you. They feel a lot of connection with you. Maybe some of you are from the Rainbow Pride, or from the same-sex community. Maybe this is a same-sex relationship for some of you, which is fine, perfectly. But I feel like this person wants marriage. This person wants commitment. They see you as someone who is perfect for them, they are destined to be with you. You are their ultimate home. And another thing I would like to mention before I go forward, because if you both have Earth signs, then what you do, like if your partner is also Earth sign, you can watch their moon sign, rising sign, or you can watch your moon sign, rising sign also. So that ways you can see this reading. Hierophant, I think this there is something about this relationship is very destined, and your person is trying to do the right things in this connection. That's why they are not in contact or not talking to you. Like, they want to do the right thing. Maybe the right thing is that they are married, so they are trying to look there, or keep things maintained there, keep the respect there of the marriage. Or maybe they are maybe the family is becoming a factor in this connection. So they are trying to do the right thing in this connection, and it's not what is working here right now. It's not working. This right thing they are doing is not working for you and this connection. But This person is someone who has a lot of pride, self pride, and they also are very ethical, earth signs. So you could be dealing with someone who is a teacher, who is a mentor, or who has a lot of moral values, so, or they are very traditional. So that's kind of affecting, they are stuck. Like if they have committed to someone else, or they have promised you not to talk, they can't break that promise, because this person has principles, this person has a lot of values, they have a lot of values. Something is stopping. They know you are destined, you both are destined, but something is blocking this connection. They are taking their time, your person, they are resting, relaxing, they are trying to understand this relationship. That's why they are not messaging you. They are also, I feel, some of you may be asking, is this person in another relationship? I think they have choices. This person have choices, like maybe they have other lovers, or maybe, they are popular. But I don't see that they are into love with anybody. I don't see that. Even if they are married, they are not happy. They feel like, love is lost. With you are their love, so you are not with them right now, so it's lost. This person is feeling 4-4 is like, the energy of stability, structure, harmony. They want a marriage with you, they want commitment with you. Maybe you both are married, that's why they can't be with you. Or maybe this person is a single parent, or they are married, they have kids, or family is an issue. So something of a destiny, some fated things are blocking this connection, but they are not with anybody else. No, that's not for true. That's, they are not with anybody else. In fact, they are getting people, but they are not saying yes to them. In fact, they are waiting to talk to you. I feel they want to message you, or they may have messaged you, earth signs, but it seems like, both of you are a bit taking a slow approach right now in this connection. So it is quite, it's quite a waiting game for you and them. They are making you wait, you are making them wait. So you are both quite quite a pair, look at this, the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, this feels like, karmic, this connection feels a lot of karmic energies in it. It is like, they want to give to you, but they can't right now because of work, because of family commitment, or because of a past relationship. Also, I feel like, they may have given to you in the past, but you were not reciprocating. So this connection is in a bit of an imbalance right now. So they are working on it. Maybe they are trying to improve their finances, maybe they are trying to improve, becoming emotionally available to you. So a lot of balance is needed in this connection. And look at that, Five of Pentacles. This person is not happy without you. I don't think so, earth signs. You are also happy without this person. No, you both are missing each other. They really want to support you and help you. Maybe finances were an issue, like in the past. Maybe you asked for financial or emotional support from this person and they were not ready, or they just didn't had the time or maturity to understand it. But I think right now, with the gap and this no connection, this time away from each other, this person is learning. Look at that. And they are waiting for a new start. Absolutely, Wheel of Fortune. They are waiting when the things will turn, when the tide will turn. And, they know that this is not the right time for you and your person, to talk, because 4-4, you both are waiting. So they understand that, and they are trying to heal their relationships or their life. Maybe they are trying to convince their family so they can get married to you, or they are trying to balance other issues in life so they can come towards you. Maybe this is a long distance connection, so they want to travel or move towards you, and then they will want to talk to you. So let's see what else is happening with this person. A lot is happening actually. I feel like this person is trying to stop this connection, or they're trying to wait and watch, and that's how you are also doing. Wait and watch. Perseverance, yeah, they know this connection is not going anywhere. You know this, they know this. You both are meant for each other, so you're gonna be there for each other. This connection is very strong and very pure, and they feel very strongly about you. Look at this red, it is about passion. Look at this orange, a lot of creativity. They feel very creative towards you. You maybe they are an artist, or you both are artistic, creative. They feel very inspired by you. And the red is a lot of passion. I feel this person is still very passionate about you, because look at the red in the cards. Red here, red here, red here, red here, red here. Lot of red energy. They have a lot of passion for you, earth signs. And dissipating, yeah, but they are not taking action. They are like, yeah, I'm gonna wait and watch. I'm gonna make you wait and watch. I do feel they are watching your social media but not taking action, and they are playing the detective. They are keeping a strong eye on you but not taking action. So let's see what else is happening in this. What is this person's feelings towards our viewers? How does this person feel towards our viewers? Okay, this one will come out. Joy and stability, Four of Wands. This person could be your twin flame, absolutely, or the marriage is a big issue with this person and in this connection. Marriage, stability, happiness. I don't know why. Maybe you both are each other's destiny. I'm actually surprised you both are not connected right now and not in a relationship, because everything is saying that you should be in a relationship, you should be married with this person. That's how the energy is. They feel a lot of stability, a lot of joy. And again, a number 4 is here. So you both complete each other like squares. Like squares fulfill each other. So you both are like that. They feel a lot of joy. They feel a lot of sunshine when they are with you. They feel activated, inspired, passionate, and detached. Number 13, yeah. There is something from the past which is stopping this person from coming towards you. They are trying to heal that. Maybe some past issues. Maybe you had a fight, or maybe you both blocked each other or ghosted each other. Some issues are happening which is blocking them from coming towards you, or maybe you are not letting this person in, because that's how they feel about you. This is how they feel about our viewers. So maybe this person feels like you need to let the past go and say yes to love. Ah, the devil. Ooh, sexy, sexy, steamy, steamy. This is a sexy connection, friends. A lot of passion, a lot of lust is there. Maybe that's why you are running away from them, because it's so lusty, because you feel it's lust. It is too much intense of a connection. Maybe some of you, they also feel like you just are not ready for this connection, or you are too stuck on your past. Our viewers, that's how this person feels about you. The main thing is that this is an intense connection, and this is some of you may be like, this is toxic for us. But I think the main thing is that if you both let go of the past or say yes to the new, this connection is destined for marriage. Look at that, the joy and stability. 10 of Cups. This is marriage, but something needs to heal. Strength. They see you as very powerful. You are very powerful, and this person sees that our viewers are controlling this relationship at the moment. Although you may disagree, but that's how they feel, that our viewers are controlling this relationship. They are, you are not letting them in. This person come in towards you. They want a new start with you. They want a marriage. They want a commitment. They are waiting for the right time when you are ready and open for this connection. So what will this person do for you, like their next action steps? Okay. All right. Wow. Look at this. Not for you. Number 6. So their next action steps is like, not for you. Maybe some of you, maybe you are not ready for this connection at this point of time, and this person has realized that you both need a little more time for this connection. So they are going to give you that time. It is not like it's a no forever. No, it is more like this is a game of chess here. Look at it. So they are waiting for the right time to make their moves. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because if they come now, you might say, bye bye to them, or if you go to them, they might say bye bye to you, because this is lust, this is intense, this is a lot of steamy sexual chemistry, and it's a very spiritual connection. It's not just you're twin flames. I feel many of you are twin flames. This is intense. I can feel, like, sweat running on my face also, like, it's a tough, it's not a tough, it's an intense connection. So they are waiting for the right time. For some of you, maybe you may not want this person, and they feel it, your person feels it, so they are just moving on from you right now. Regeneration. Their next action is to bring this connection back into life. Your person's next action steps will be to bring this connection into life, regenerate it, reunite with you. And look at this. This card is 6, this card is 6, but with 4, 46, another 4 is here. So they want to bring this connection into balance, and they know it is going to take some time. It won't happen overnight. You both need some time, some healing to happen, new life. Number 39, yeah, a breakthrough. They are waiting. This person is waiting for a right time, a breakthrough to happen in this connection, and then they are going to move towards you. Let us see some advice for our viewers. What is the advice for our viewers? Purification. Yeah, I do feel you are also struggling, our viewers are struggling with some sort of past issues, past ghosts. As I say, it is time to purify yourself, friends. Purify yourself, your intentions, get ready for a new start with another person, or with a new lover, or with this person. Just purify, your thoughts, mind, and body. And this is a very powerful card, purification. It shows how intense this relationship is. And look at that, healing chaos. Ooh. So definitely, I think a lot of this is like a tsunami of love. So you have to heal some things, friends. You have to heal some things. Maybe you are suffering from some anxiety, or you're suffering from some, a lot of hurt and pain has happened in this connection. Even I'm searching for words, which never happens, because there is so much happening. I can, like, literally go on and on, like, for years about this relationship. That so much has happened in the past. So you need to heal. Focus on healing, friends. Focus on healing. Maybe your heart says one thing, your mind is saying another thing. So focus on healing that. And let's take a romance angel's message, and then we'll take the messages from your person, what they want to say to you. And friends, please do give it some views, because that's how the algorithm works. So if you don't watch it, they are not gonna support us. Sad but true. So yeah, playfulness to recapture romance. Allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So yeah, I think it is time to take things a bit lightly in your life and this connection. So if you focus on being friends with this person for now and in the future, because that's going to recapture this romance. It is going to reignite this passion, this fire between you and them. This is going to, you both are not going anywhere, but you need to find ways to, let this love bloom. It is like, you have you are fire, both of you, but fire can burn, but you have to tame it. You have to learn to tame it, so you can actually make it warm for each other, instead of burning each other. So that's what you need to do. Interesting. I love it. I love this reading. Let's see what they want to say. They are very quick. This person is quick to say things. What they want to say to our viewers. Okay, what this person want to say to our viewers. All right. Okay, let's see. I need more time to think and process this. Yeah, they need some time. They know that I think you both need a bit of time to heal something. Something is going on. They need more time to think and process what happened. They are processing. I think maybe both of you were not expecting this intense, fiery, passionate connection, but boom, it happened, and you guys are like, what happened? Your power inspires me to be stronger. Wow, that's beautiful, earth signs. You inspire them. I told you earlier also. They inspire you, they are very inspired. Creativity is inspired. Money, career, ego, and family. Yeah. See, these are the blocks. Money, maybe some of them are working on money issues, on career, maybe they are egoistic, or family is becoming a problem. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? Yeah. They are very honest, this person is cutthroat honest. Let's take one more message and then we're gonna end this reading. Through music, art, meditation, dream, can we talk? Can you hear me? Whoa. Yeah, I do. I felt that you both are creative, spiritual. Music is very strong point in this connection, and you also may dream about them or they dream about you, because here also this card is like they are dreaming and watching watching you in your dreams. Lots of sexual chemistry, so you can check that. I think it will help you. Their sexual fantasy about you, pick a card reading. I have done that. I think you need to check that out because they think a lot about you. So yeah, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. That's it for now. Bye.